Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Open the trunk and remove the trunk floor as well as the plastic protection on the battery. This will allow you to see the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 2 screws on the battery holding bar and extract it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Lift the plastic cover to access the terminal. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the positive terminal and remove it. You can now remove the battery.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Then screw the negative terminal back in. Screw the holding bar back on. Put the different elements back in place. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.